Hello everyone, CoolerVoid here. Today you can see the new version of CodeCat. CodeCat is an open source tool to help you find and track things and bugs in static code analysis. Test points follow regex rules. So if you don't know, using this tool you can sync user input points. For example, to search for weaknesses in the source code following security contests. You can improve your manual code review. Alright, here following the practical approach. So the first point is how to deploy the tool in your machine. Run command git clone in the repository. Read at point of the readme file and follow necessary commands. So, okay, this is a readme file. Following finish commands. So insert a new user. Don't do better about security in endpoint to insert user. Yes, because the insert command executes just on time. The program blocks action if exists admin user. Relax here, okay? So following authentication in CodeCat here. Looking to the left panel, you can see options to insert rule and list rules, okay? For example, in this point you can choose the title and description and choices language of the rule, okay? Match 1 and match 2 is regex operations to search, recursive search in the code. Okay, so if you choose 0, you can use one rule. Okay, so listing rules here. Looking at this table, you can see a data tables resource. Data tables is a JavaScript resource to render a custom table with effects like drop down and other cool resources. Okay, so for example, this show weak cryptography in Golang contest. Okay, I can edit this description and change the rule. For example, practical example. Another incredible resource, you can start a recursive scan in any path of your machine. But remember, don't run CodeCat in your production machine. It's okay. For example, look at this point. Okay. Golden crash example. Search all points. Wait 5 seconds, and list cache on left panel. Okay. For example, list 1 weak points. Okay, MD5 in the rule. Looking to the file. Okay. Very cool. It's okay here. Motor sample, SQL injection. Very cool. It's okay. Another example. Following another example in node contest. Okay. Clear cache to search rules again. Choices JavaScript. Search sync. Wait 5 seconds and list cache. Alright, here. Very cool. It's okay. So this tool is easy to use, it's open source, you can change the code, it's not hard to understand. I use CodeCat with my custom rules. I'm not a good front-end developer, don't do bad about it. But if you see a point to improve, please create an issue in the repository. I am glad to solve that problem. So it's alright here, folks. Thank you for listening to me. Please follow my GitHub if you want to look at other secret tools and ideas.